A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say. And I think you will agree that a website without pictures wouldn't provide a very good user experience, especially websites about food. My example website about Little Lemon could certainly use a few images. In this video, you will learn how to add images to HTML documents using the image or IMG tag as it is commonly known. I have two image files in my project folder, one named falafel.jpg and another named salad.jpg. Similar to what I did with document links, I have to specify the link to the image file in the image tag. Images are not inserted into web pages. Instead, we use image tags in HTML to link to image files. The image tag then creates a placeholder for the image on the web page. To add the image tag, I type IMG and inside it, I add the src attribute, or source attribute as it is known. After the source attribute, I enter the name of the image file I want to link to. I type falafel.jpg as the source for one image and salad.jpg for the other image. Let's save the file and open it in the web browser. The images are displayed, but they are way too big. Luckily, there are several ways to set the size of an image, but in this video, I will demonstrate how to do this in HTML. Right after the source link in the image tag, you can specify the dimensions of an image. I first add the width attribute and set it to 240 pixels. Then, I add the height attribute and set it to 135 pixels. I'll set the other image to the same dimensions. Let's save and view it in the browser again. Much better. The images are smaller, but there is one important attribute that you should always include with image tags. It is good practice to add a short description for images. It helps to improve accessibility for people using assistive technologies, and it can also improve search engines' rankings. You can add image descriptions with the alternative text attribute, also known as the alt attribute. Still within the image tag, after the dimension attributes, you can add the alt attribute. I will type a short description, a falafel, and for the other image, I will add a pasta salad. I will save the HTML file again and open it in the web browser. The alt text is not displayed anywhere on the site, but will be read by assistive technologies such as a screen reader. Screen readers and other accessibility tools use the alt attribute to provide information to their users. Now you know how to add images to websites with the image tag. The Little Lemon website is now ready for everyone who uses the web. Have fun while you make your sites colourful by adding images.